Hello. In this video, we want to look at a word problem. A central angle of pi over 2 intercepts an arc on the surface of the Earth that runs from the equator to the North Pole, as shown in the following figure. Using 3,950 miles as the radius of the Earth, find the length of the intercepted arc to the nearest mile. Okay, so basically what it wants to know is if you start at the equator and walk all the way to the North Pole, which is what pi over 2 shows right there, how far are you going to walk? Notice that that's called an intercepted arc, or in other words, an arc length. It wants to know the S right there. Now, S is usually for distance in this case. So the formula, if we're working in radians, is S equals alpha R. Notice that alpha is pi over 2. By the way, alpha is just a Greek letter. Alpha, like that, and I should make that little a because it's a lowercase alpha. Ooh, how does capital alpha? Is capital alpha just look like a regular a? Whatever. So there's alpha, and then we also have beta. Then we have gamma. We have delta, but that's not one that we like a lot. We also like the capital delta. Gamma, close enough. There's an epsilon in there, so on and so forth. But you'll get used to using Greek letters later on. Anyway, for now, alpha is the little a, and R is the radius. So pi over 2 is alpha, 3950 is R. So notice that S would just be pi over 2 times 3950. And notice that the only units we have here are miles. And then literally just type it in. So pi, which is second, and then the caret, which is the number, the one above division. So pi times 3950, and then divide by 2. And then just round to the nearest whole number. We have 6204.645491. And we want to round to the nearest mile, which means, of course, we need to round right there. So we need to round that up to 6205. And the units here would be miles. So basically, if you started walking at the equator, walked all the way due north until you reach the North Pole, you will have walked 6,205 miles. It might take you a day or two. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.